Welcome back to Roaming and Recording with Brenda and Craig. This trip was another run up to Detroit, but instead of driving all the way in late at night, we stopped in Maumee, Toledo, so we could roll into Detroit bright and early. We used some points and booked a king suite with a sofa bed, because we knew the next day was going to be long and stressful, and relaxing beforehand was top priority. This Staybridge Suites was refreshed earlier this year and sits right next to a mall, which made it super easy to walk to dinner. You'll see in the video that it's just behind the Barnes & Noble. The area felt safe, festive, and fully decorated for the holidays. Inside, the lobby had plenty of seating and doubles as the breakfast and social hour space. There's also a quiet business center tucked off to the side, an outdoor barbecue area, a heated indoor pool, on-site laundry, and a gym. Now, let's check out room 204. This is room 204. As you can see, it's got a very nice desk area upon entering. It has a sitting area. That's a sofa sleeper over there. Yeah. And it's got a nice TV that swivels, a king-size bed. And then if you look over here, we've got the closet area. You have your ironing board, extra linens, extra coat hangers, and so forth. And then in the bathroom, you've got pretty much your basics, your towels, your commode, no bathtub, but it does have a shower, and the amenities are Dove. So again, fresh linens. And then over here, you do have a hairdryer in the sink area, which is closed off. And then you're back into the bedroom area. And we'll look over here. We'll get another look at the desk. Some artwork, and then you've got this kitchenette here, which was really kind of nice. It's pretty well outfitted. You've got a dishwasher there, and they did give you dishwashing detergent, coffee maker. Always nice to have a coffee maker, and they do have coffee and tea in the room. You've got salt, pepper, sugar. As you can see, you've got plates, glasses, bowls, wine glasses, woohoo! And you've got even a little stove top there, which is kind of nice. You've got plenty of outlets. And in here you've got your silverware. Down here you'll find some bowls, measuring cup. Down here you've got your pots and pans. So pretty much anything that you might need. And here's an ice maker. It was turned off. We did turn it on and we did get ice. And then you've got a full refrigerator with a pitcher there so you can put some water in there or some sodas or whatever food you want. We did bring some popcorn, and we did some popcorn in the microwave, which was kind of nice. And that is the room 204. That night, we kicked back, made some popcorn in the microwave, and watched an old movie. Exactly the low-key evening we needed. For dinner, we walked over to the Beer Barrel. It was packed, but we were seated right away at a high top near the bar, which worked out great. Craig had a burger, and I had a chicken pesto sandwich. Both were tasty and generously sized. We liked it. Breakfast the next morning. This is where things dipped a bit. Up until breakfast, we thought the hotel was excellent. Breakfast, though, was just adequate. They offered scrambled eggs, bacon, and a sausage patty that was so tough it might as well have been a hockey puck. The home-style potatoes were heavy on the paprika. Bagels were good, and they had the usual cereals, yogurt, fruit, juice, coffee. It filled the gap, but the quality just wasn't there compared to similar category hotels. Next time, we might skip the hotel breakfast and head over to American Table in Perrysburg. It's near the Costco. We love that place and have always had a great experience there. All in all, we'd absolutely stay here again. The updates looked great, the staff was very welcoming, the room was super clean and well equipped, and the location was perfect for unwinding before an early morning in Detroit. So that's my quick room review and hotel overview. Let us know. Have you stayed here, or would you? What's the number one thing you look for when picking a hotel? Big rooms, good amenities, walkable dining, or a great breakfast? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Roaming and Recording.